Welcome back to the channel. In 2025, running a business efficiently means having the right tools in one place. AllProWebTools combines ERP and business management into a single platform. Let's break it down. AllProWebTools includes finance, CRM, project management, and inventory tracking all in one place. It gives real-time insights, automates workflows, and helps teams stay coordinated so nothing falls through the cracks. Its flexibility makes it ideal for small to mid-sized businesses looking to simplify operations while keeping control over every aspect of their businesses. AllProWebTools helps you manage clients, project, and finances seamlessly, so your team can focus on growth instead of juggling multiple tools. If you want an all-in-one ERP and business management solution in 2025, AllProWebTools keeps everything organized, efficient, and scalable. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more reviews.